So here's my old screen that I've been using for a few years now. As you can see, there's kind of a burn mark in the screen here. This was a TV that a friend of mine found in a dumpster, and it didn't work at the time. And he gave it to me. I took it home. Turned out the issue was the wires going to the fluorescent lights. They were touching and they had burned through the insulation, so they were arcing and shorting out. So just putting some insulation around those wires fixed the issue. But there must have been some damage already done, because this burn-in is kind of ugly. So my other friend has now given me this. It doesn't work. It doesn't turn on with the button or with the remote. So we'll see about that. So I'll clean all these, and then I'm pretty sure this is the whole reason it's broken. Checking all of these solder joints. Everything looks fine to me. Let's get this going. Okay. And now we see UV light. It's beautiful. And that is plugged in. Right? Am I right? Oh yeah. There we go. So yeah. And this is why I got this TV for free. Because the remote didn't work, and the power button on the TV didn't work. So the guy was like, well, how do I even TV? Well, what happens is, if I press this really hard, it does turn on. Alright, here is power supply. There's some shielded electronics here, and here's probably main board. And the thing that I'm interested in looking at is this button pad. Oh, there's only 2 screws. Let's do it. Yeah. Alright. So this is kinda... You know, that's the design there. It's not like this thing has much to fail. It's just tactile buttons. So I figured out that this tactile button for the power is not working. I will press the button now. Okay, so resistance went down, but if I use this tactile button, oops, other button, there we go. So this tactile button has continuity, this one does not. And it makes sense that this one would wear out first because it's the power button. They're weird tactile buttons. They have the contacts coming out of the middle of them instead of the usual like four-legged design. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the contact right in the middle of the button. Alright, so I've decided to replace the power button with the channel down button, because I can always just cycle through with the channel up button.